Lopez Obrador announces creation of the Universal Health System, National Institute of Health. President Andrés Manuel Lopez Obrador announced the creation of the National Institute of Health for Well-being, with the aim of guaranteeing the right to health to people who do not have health insurance. We are going to restructure the entire health system. We are going to create a National Institute of Health for Well-being, which will take care of those who do not have the possibility of having insurance, of the uninsured population. It is of the changes that we are going to carry out, he stressed. He added that this initiative will have the backing of the state governors, who are aware of the need to improve the health system. Before the United Nations High Commissioner for Human Rights, Michelle Bachelet, the chief executive, reaffirmed that this administration will restructure and improve the health system. We want to guarantee the right to health and that at the end of the government we can say that medical care in Mexico and medicines are going to be delivered, they will be free, the right to health will be guaranteed in practice. That is going to be a feat, he said. He affirmed that unlike previous administrations, Mexico will no longer respond to vested interests or to agendas imposed from abroad. We are no longer going to follow that agenda of the so-called structural reforms. We are going to have our own agenda, our own program, development model based on our reality. We are not going to get away from what our people need, We speak of an own agenda, whether the energy reform or fiscal reform, or educational reform, or reform to the Social Security, that at the end of accounts is summarized in privatizing, is no longer there. And if we see in the dictionary what privatization is, it is turning public into private. So, we do not want that agenda anymore, he remarked. By participating in the launch of the report of the high-level Universal Health Commission in the 21st century, 40 years of alma mater, which took place in the Treasury Hall of the National Palace in the framework of World Health Day, the President reiterated the federalization of the national health system. We will see to it integrated. We will federalize the health system, especially in what has to do with the care of the uninsured population, the population that does not have the right to Social Security, which is the poorest population, these 60 million Mexicans who do not have Social Security, he explained.